Hi everyone, welcome back to campus. You'll notice when you come into printmaking that there's a few new procedures in place to help keep everybody safe. One of these is the room capacity. So in lithography and relief, the capacity is 4 people. When you enter the studios, we ask you to sanitise your hands. You also need to swipe your card for contact tracing. Shared work areas are marked out with tape. That means that only one person can be in that area at any one time. Individual workstations are marked by these stickers. These stickers will help us maintain physical distance while using the space. There's to be one person working at shared workspaces at a time. Once you're finished with your tools, you can take them to the tool return area where you'll find disinfectant wipes to sanitise your tools. Please remember to clean your workstations and equipment, including any handles of presses and handles of the rollers. In the intaglio studio, the room capacity is 10, and the same again, you need to sanitise your hands and swipe your card. The yellow stickers indicate workstations. Each of these are measured to be 1.5 metres apart. The tape on the floor indicates only one person can work in this area at a time. In all studio spaces, you'll find shared tool areas and a tool return box where there's sanitizer to sanitize the tools. When you finish with it, you'll also need to sanitize masks. The same rules apply for this room to help maintain physical distancing. At the beginning of term, you'll be provided with these lab coats that you'll put underneath the shared lab coats. We also have the disposable gloves station that you put the disposable gloves on before wearing the nitrile gloves. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you, and remember, safety first.